Well, okay, I don't think this is gonna last very long, but we'll try it. I probably have my big old fat leg in the way. No, that looks okay. Yeah, I'll probably dangle my buds. Yeah, let's see, we got to get those away from the lens. We won't go too far with this one. But it's all fun, right? You know, some of us look to the past and others look to the future. I try to see more where I'm going and where I've been. Some of the where I've been, I'd rather just leave there. Leave it alone. Oh, yeah. Well, thinking negatively now, if a cop came up behind me and pulled me over, we'd have it on film, so. But that's nothing to hope for, but when you have little thoughts like that, that helps to keep you on the straight and narrow. I'm going to end this up here, but when I do, I'm going to pull the camera off. I'm going to stop in front of it's a big old house, big old ranch type of house that always kind of impressed me. It's made of stone. I don't know how much of it I can capture here, but I'm right in front of it now, so. While the film is still rolling, I'll get off and I'll get down here and I'll get my clamp. I'll just wrestle that puppy right off and try to move slow. The bike, of course, and that's the stone wall. Quite impressive. Big, long. And that's the house. Plenty of garage space there. I always kind of liked it. It looks like they need a little work up there where that second floor. Trees. This is a nice little area too. It gets a little hot though in the summertime. Just a little pan around. The bike. And of course, me. So we'll end it now. Pardon that last big spin.